Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm happy that you joined me today to draw a cute ice cream. Let's start with sides of the scoop. So it looks like brackets. And on the top we will draw same shapes but smaller. We'll finish here and we connect the lines. Okay. Here we will draw a random wavy line for drips. Like this. And the ice cream cone. Just easy U shape. Let's separate these two shapes with thin lines. And a little bit here. And now we can draw the face. One eye will be open. As usual, we will draw highlights inside. And another one will be winking. And I wanna add cute eyelashes. Now we will draw a mouth. Super happy ice cream. Laughing and enjoying the day. Tongue. And we can fill in the space inside. And actually this is it. We can now color our ice cream. Okay, that was very easy and very fast to draw. My cute body here is in vanilla flavor with colorful sprinkles on top, but you can actually choose any flavor that you like. Maybe your favorite is chocolate mint, or maybe instead of sprinkles, you like to have whipped cream with the cherry on top. We can play around with this drawing, have fun, stay creative, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!